need a data quality tool, and I'm going to explain why you need it now. In order to improve the organization data quality, we need some sort of a tool which can facilitate improving the quality of the data. The reason we are looking for now is that the AI is at forefront and center. And in order to improve the AI accuracy and remove the AI hallucination, it is important that we feed the high quality data into AI models. And that is why it is important to fix the data quality at scale. And that's why you need a data quality tool. There are three major ways that we improve the quality of the data. The number one is data quality debt. Organizations have collected the data over a decade and it's have a lot of issues. So that is the number one area that we need to find those debt and improve the quality of the data. The second one is the operational data quality, where the models which is running in production, whether it's a supply chain optimization model or whether it's a customer churn model, whatever the models and the reporting which is running in production, we want to monitor and ensure that those models are 100% right all the time. In order to improve that, we need an operational data quality to monitor the pipeline completely. And third one is generally considered as the master data management, to manage the master data, which is customer data. That can be anything depending upon the business to business. So there are three major areas of improving the overall data quality. To improve the quality of overall data, we need multiple feature sets in our available tool sets. So the number one is the data profiling. So we need to automatically profile the data so that we can understand that what's going wrong where exactly. Then we need anomaly detection. Anomaly detection can be divided into further three categories. One is that as we are moving towards the time in the daily basis, that yesterday and day before yesterday's, we need to be able to detect the anomaly and able to report the data quality problem that is generally used in the operational data quality checks. Okay, it's data yesterday was 100 rows, today suddenly came only 2 rows. There is something wrong with that kind of anomaly detection. The second anomaly detection is over the period of time, but long period of time, like over a decade. In 2016, we used to use USA and Canada. And now we are using US and CAN. So what is the difference between those? And the third thing is the anomaly detection over the variety of the data we have in the company. So for example, we might have a customer data in one system and customer data in another system, how these two systems are reconciling. So that is the second area of the feature sets we are looking for. Third feature set is generally considered as the data quality rules. This is again used for operational data quality, to make sure that when we are measuring the data, when we are monitoring the data over time, anything goes wrong, it can alert something. It is actually a specific rule written for specific validation. So for example, we can say that email address have to be specific format or social security number have to be specific format. It checks those areas and then it alerts anybody. And when it alerts, that is the subsequent feature we need is data quality workflows. So if anything goes wrong anywhere in the data quality ecosystem, you can alert not only data engineers who need to fix the data, but also you can alert the downstream dependent people who might be affected because of that data being wrong. So maybe the report may not go out to the regulators or the executives. That is the workflow ecosystem. And then overall, like measurement of the data quality. So the data can be considered as a data quality score, which considers a data quality debt as well as operational data quality. Combining those together, you can create a score so that people can monitor, manage, understand the quality of the data. Who is consuming the data can easily understand the quality of the data. So this considers a dashboard, score, etc. So those are the main features we are looking for in a data quality tool or a platform. Data quality tool is needed by organizations who want to improve the quality of the data. There are multiple user personas who's consuming this data quality tool. The number one user persona is data engineer who write the data quality roles. They configure it so that any alerts can be created. The alert can go to either to the business users to fix the data quality, or it can go to the data engineer to fix that. So that depending upon the workflow, we determine that that who is going to use this data quality tool. Then the second user persona is generally the business executive who want to understand the quality of the data, and they consume the data quality tool to understand the dashboards from there. What kind of dashboards are there? What kind of quality of the data it is when they are consuming the data, whether it's a report or a form or a data warehousing table, they can understand that. And the third user persona is the data governance team, which is writing the policies of the data quality. What kind of data quality is acceptable? What critical data should have what kind of quality policies, and how it should be addressed. The need for consuming the data is even more and more. There's only analytics which used to facilitate the business. Now AI is going to facilitate the business. And AI is totally dependent upon the data you feed in. And there are tremendous amount of use cases from the AI. So in order to gain advantage of any of those use cases of AI, it needs to feed the high quality data to it. And that is why it is important to understand the quality of the data in order to fix the data quality to take advantage of AI initiatives. It's important you have a data quality foundation in place.